Babe, how is the food?
Very delicious.
I
I
know.
love it.
That's why I always go to that eatery to buy food.
And I
Their
love that food so
their
much.
their chicken and fried rice is katamobalangata.
You really know what I used to like.
I know you.
Baby, baby.
uh,
Now what my papa do with woman. Now the right time for me to go collect that money.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Che.
My love.
You be mumu.
That is how the body always do me when you touch me. Eh?
Papa,
Eh?
all of
Afternoon.
Papa, I won't come collect the
2,000. 2,000 for what? Am I owing you?
for my exercise book now.
But I thought that I bought that exercise book.
No, that one don't finish. It's a new one want me to buy for me.
Mmakwara, I don't even have money.
Baby.
Eh?
I give him now. Just 2,000.
2,000.
It's bigger than it.
Hi.
Just give him a
Oh, I'll give him. I'll give him. I'll give him. It's 2,000.
But just 2,000.
Hey, take a. Oh.
I thank you.
Hey.
You think say they wise?
Baby, baby.
Oh. Hi. Hey. Oh. This hand, I don't know what you put inside
Let me
it.
give you again.
Oh,
You think say they wise?
The thing,
You are a mumu man.
as if we put ice block inside your hand, and when you rub it at the back, you say we want to break my body.
Wait, this one walk. I think no go. This one walk. Hey, I go collect another one. And this one why they go collect, I go. So I go. Now 5,000 why they go collect.
You dey use your
5K.
function to play.
Huh?
You won't come collect the 5,000.
5,000 for what now?
Wait, promise me now.
Ah, when?
Wait, promise me say you go give me this week my pay my exam fee.
Exam fee.
Yes,
But
now.
I pay for your school fees.
Papa school fees and exam fee no be the same.
Okay, school fees, exam fee. But this is not exam.
Baby, just 5,000. I give it to him.
You give me.
Not be juju be that.
I will give you more. I will give you more. I will give you. He said it's 5,000.
Just 5,000.
Okay.
Papa.
They went to the reform.
Bigger than it. That's why I love you.
How? This hand will give me. Oh, how?
Baby.
Look, this. Wait. This magic they work. Ain't nobody tell Mmakwara.
How many times would they tell you?
No, go inside. Go inside.
Which one is inside again? Which one is inside? Which one is the let us go inside? Baby.
Let's go inside.
Baby, just stop. Which one is the let us go inside again?
Oh, you said that when you finish.
You because the 2,500 fries and chicken that you bought.
But you said when you finish the food, you
Just
go
for it there.
inside.
Which one is inside? Please just stop it there. And it's not because 2,500 and just fries that you bought. I will just count the one and give to you now. Which one is inside it? Okay, it's because I'm rubbing you my hand.
Oh, no.
But nobody I agree on it. Hi.
This is inside for 2,500 and just fries. Do you know how much cream I used to rub? Because 2,500 and just fries.
You don't tell me about cream now.
Just stop it there.
Yeah, when I want to make a deal, go back.
How many times would they tell you? Sorry, oh.
Papa,
Huh?
I'm going to collect thank you.
Thank you. For what?
So be say when I come collect money after collect 5K, why I go carry this thing go market go buy my school bag for next time.
You think say they wise?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have it here. Let me go inside. Let us go. May I go bring the 10,000?
But you go give me 10K.
Yes.
Hey.
Come, let's go inside. Okay. Come, let me give you the 5,000.
Okay, Papa. Oh boy, it's magic though. It's like, I would invite this auntie me they come on as every day.
God have mercy upon us.
She bring that 10,000. You know, call me. Come on, say. Come on, drink. Come on, drink.